Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning everyone. So we are
Good morning.
from, thank you, we are from group 10. And then for today, we will explain for the material about changes in views of an effective English teacher. So the member of group, I am Indah Diva Safitri.
And I am Swanda Pisandini.
So, definition of an effective English teacher. An effective English teacher combines subject expertise, pedagogy, and interpersonal skills to facilitate language learning. A beneficial English teacher combines subject matter experience, pedagogical understanding, and good interpersonal skills to successfully aid language acquisition. The focus has historically been on direct instruction and language competency. So, for these days, a teacher's efficacy is determined by their capacity to use a variety of instructional techniques, integrate digital tools, and establish an engaging learning environment. To guarantee inclusive and meaningful learning experiences, educators must also adjust to the culture and emotional needs for their students. While past approaches focus on direct instruction, education educators must employ reserved teaching strategies, integrate technology, and adapt to students' culture and emotional needs to create meaningful and inclusive learning experiences. So, this is the key aspect of an effective English teacher. For the first one is shift from teacher-centered to student-centered approaches. Second one is integration of technology in English teaching, and the third is importance of soft skills and emotional intelligence. So we will explain for shift from teacher-centered to student-centered approaches. So, in a teacher-centered approach, the teacher serves as the main source of knowledge and direct education receives attention. A student-centered approach, on the other hand, emphasizes learner autonomy, involvement, and cooperation. Student-centered approach places a strong emphasis on critical thinking, active engagement, and practically like English language use, conducted by Al-Tamimi, 2019, compared teachers and students' perceptions of effective teaching. So the study found that while teachers often prioritize subject knowledge and structure lesson plans, students place greater emphasis on engagement and active learning and motivation. Student-centered learning techniques such as discussion, role plays, problem-solving activities, and project-based learning have been shown to be more effective in developing language proficiency. So, additional studies indicate that students retain information and develop fluency more effectively when they actively participate in learning rather than passively receiving instruction. Teachers also employ task-based learning, collaborative activities, and real-life scenarios are perceived as more effective than than those who on traditional textbook-based instruction and memorization. For the implication, like teacher must transition from being knowledge dis- dispensers to facilitators of learning experiences, and lesson plans should encourage peer interaction and real world real world application. And second is integration of technology in English teaching. So Digital tools like learning management system or LMS, interactive apps, multimedia content, and artificial intelligence or AI that improve language instruction are referred to educational technology, or we can call edtech. So since it enables teachers to accommodate a variety of learning styles and create adapt adaptable learning environments, technology has emerged as a critical element of contemporary English instruction. Based to Solistio et al. 2021, teachers who use technology such as gamification, online collaboration platform, and multimedia content are seen as more successful than those who only use conventional techniques. Teachers also need to be digitally literate since the COVID-19 pandemic increased demand for online education. And teaching English requires use of virtual learning platforms like Zoom, Google Classroom, and Moodle. Higher levels of students' engagement and retention are also observed by educators who use blended learning models, which integrate in-person and online training. Uh, Research demonstrates how digital technologies such as interactive whiteboards, chatbots by AI, and language learning applications like Duolingo and Memrise, offering students immediate feedback and adaptive learning pathways that are customized to meet their needs. The implication, like teachers need digital competence for effective integration of technology. Schools should provide edtech training, and assessments should include multimedia projects and online discussion. Okay, for the next material will be presented by Riswanda.
Okay, the next material is about importance of soft skills and emotional intelligence.
Oh, wala. Sorry.
Soft skills like communication, empathy, and adaptability foster in inclusive learning environment. Best name, uh, 20, 2019 found that future teachers increasingly recognize emotional intelligence as key to effective teaching, and high L helps manage classroom, resolve conflicts, and enhance student confidence. There are implications. Uh, there are teacher training should include emotional intelligence development. Schools should promote counseling, mentorship, and reflective teaching. And the last lesson should address culture and emotional diversity. Okay, next. The next is the changing role of an effective English teacher. Modern teachers are facilitators who integrate technology, adapt to student needs, and prioritize emotional intelligence. Effective English teaching emphasizes. Okay, there are four emphasizes. Uh, the first one is student-centered learning. Uh, the second one, digital tools and online platform. The third one is emotional intelligence and strong interpersonal skill. And the last is inclusive, culturally responsive teaching. Okay. English teacher must use innovative methods of instruction technology, and ongoing professional development as education changes in order to continue being successful in supporting language learning and student achievement. Okay. Next. Okay, I think that's all from me. And back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Dini.
Okay, thank you, Dini.
So, if you have a question, we are give three questions to discuss for today. Any question?
Can I ask one question for the presenter?
Okay, Teresa.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Can we go back to the previous slide, please? In Riswanda parts.
Okay. This slide, Teresa.
No, next one.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this one. Okay. So number 4, there is inclusive, culturally responsive teaching. Can you explain more about this? What does it mean by inclusive and then culturally responsive teaching? Is my question understandable?
Okay, Teresa, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
For another person.
Excuse me, Diva.
Yeah.
I ask question.
Okay.
Can we go back to the first slide?
For definition.
Yes. Okay, as you said before, an effective English teachers combine subject expertise, pedagogy, and interpersonal skill, and so on. So, my question is, how can modern English teachers balance subject expertise, pedagogy, and interpersonal skills to create an inclusive and effective learning environment? Thank you. Is
Okay.
it clear?
Okay, thank you, Srianggi. Any else? I think
Udah 3 pertanyaan, Dip.
Satu lagi sih.
Oh, nggak apa-apa sih, nyusul aja, dijawab aja dulu.
Mau nanya, Za?
Aku udah banyak nanya, coy. Coba kasih kesempatan yang lain.
Dua aja boleh.
Kalau nggak ada yang bertanya lagi, boleh.
Kayaknya nggak ada sih. Okay, maybe no other question. So, please give us time to answer. Okay, I will answer the Sri Anggi's question. How can modern English teachers balance subject expertise, pedagogy, and interpersonal skills to create an inclusive and effective learning environment? So, balancing subject expertise, pedagogy, and interpersonal skills is essential for modern English teachers to create an inclusive and effective learning environment. Here's how they can achieve this balance. So, we have three to achieve balancing the subject expertise, pedagogy, and interpersonal skills. For the first one is mastering subject expertise. So, this is we can use digital resource like literacy podcasts, online archive, and AI assistant writing tools for our instruction. Incorporate multicultural literature and varied writing styles to reflect diverse perspective. And then stay updated on literary trends, diverse text, and evolving language use. And the second one is effective pedagogical strategies. So the strategies is we have 4 strategies effective pedagogical, like differentiation is adapt lessons to different learning styles and abilities through varied texts, discussion formats, and assessments. And then student-centered learning, like use project-based learning, inquiry-based discussions, and collaborative writing workshop. And then technology integration, like digital storytelling, AI writing assistance, and virtual book clubs to engage students. And the last is formative assessment, like feedback through peer reviews, portfolio assessments, and low stakes writing assignments. And the third is strength interpersonal skills, like building relationship for like create a classroom culture of respect, empathy and inclusivity. Cultural responsive, like acknowledge and integrate students' diverse backgrounds and experiences into lesson planning. Active listening and communication, and emotional intelligence, for recognize students' social emotional needs and provide support through meaningful activities and each other. Is it clear, Srianggi?
Okay, thank you, Diva. It's very clear explanation.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, the next question from Tarisa. I will answer about. I will explain more about teaching methods that are inclusive and sensitive to cultural differences. As English teachers, we must adopt teaching methods that are inclusive and culturally sensitive. This approach ensures that students from various cultural backgrounds feel respected, engaged, and supported in their learning journey. And there are some key aspects of such teaching methods. The first one is culturally responsive teaching. Uh, as an English teacher, we can using diverse examples and materials that reflect different culture, such as literature, case studies, and media, uh, and encouraging students to share their culture experiences in discussion and writing assignments, and being aware of culture norms that may influence students' behavior, such as eye contact, participation style, and attitudes toward auditory, au- authority. Sorry. And the second key is differentiated instruction. Uh, this, differentiated instruction helps accommodate various learning styles. For example, providing multiple ways to access content, such as visual aid, storytelling, or real-life application, and allowing students to express their learning through various formats like presentation, group discussions, or creative projects. And the third one is promoting a safe and inclusive environment. These strategies include establishing classroom forms that promote respect and understanding, addressing bias and stereotypes by fostering open conversation about cultural diversity, and encouraging collaborative learning where students from different backgrounds work together on projects and discussion. Uh, the third one is code switching and multilingual support. Effective teacher can support them by allowing code switching or mixing languages as a bridge to learning English, and using bilingual resources or peer support for students who need extra help, and valuing students' home languages instead of enforcing a strict English only rule. And the last one is culturally inclusive assessment and feedback. And traditional assessment may not always be fair to students from diverse cultural backgrounds. Instead, uh, English teacher can use authentic assessment that connect to student real-world experiences, and provide constructive feedback that is sensitive to different communication style. I think that's all for the answer for Tarifa.
Okay, I think it's
Okay, I
totally
think it's
clear.
totally clear.
Thank you so much for the answer, Riswanda.
Okay, for the material, we will explain for the conclusion for this material today. So, the role of an effective English teacher has evolved beyond subject expertise to include student-centered learning, technology integration, and emotional intelligence. So modern educators must adapt to diverse learning needs, utilize digital tools, and create inclusive, engaging environments. By balancing these elements, English teachers can enhance language proficiency and support students' overall development in ever-changing educational landscape. So, thank you for attention.
Okay, thank you.
Ya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.